Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My best wishes and congratulations to all those teachers, students and other people present in this event. Organized by the well-known institution Real Concept International Institute, Madrasa School and College. Today I want to discuss about one of the most important topics, that is about learning the Holy Hadith. Dear audience, Hadith are most remarkable tools for understanding things, mentioned in the Quran but not explained. Actually, a Hadith is saying or narration of our Prophet Muhammad speech, deeds, approval or disapproval, whether a spoken or silent movement. All Muslims agree that Hadith are essential to understanding Islam. Hadith are also important because without them, the Quran does not make sense. As we know, Islam has two primary sources. First is the Quran, which is the direct of Allah to the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ. The second source is the Prophet's teaching, including his words, actions and things he approved. Allah SWT said, whoever obeys the messenger has obeyed Allah. That's why Hadith has a significant role in every Muslim's life. That's all for today. Thank you all. Assalamu alaikum.